Hi everyone, welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. My name is Lisa Curcio. Today I'm here to talk to you about the custom options with Stampin' Up. Now you might be wondering what that's all about, but did you know that you can choose any $125 in retail product and pay a reduced price of only $99? In addition to that, that product will ship to you for absolutely free right to your front door. Local sales taxes will apply. Stampin' Up's largest sale of the year is Celebration, and that is going on now through March 31st. During this time frame, you can add any 2 stamp sets of your choice to your custom kit at absolutely no charge. Pick the most expensive ones and add them on. Exclusive host stamp sets as well as Celebration product are excluded, but don't worry, because guess what? As soon as you buy your custom kit at the reduced price of $99, you will automatically be eligible for a 20% discount. And that discount, are you ready, is going to take you all the way through July 31st of 2018. When you buy the custom kit, you'll also be among the first to enjoy discounts on products that you love. You'll get to see them before everyone else, and you're going to be able to order them. That's right, you'll get a sneak peek and you'll be able to pre-purchase. There's also never an obligation to ever hold an event of any type or to make another purchase if you don't want to. Each quarter, Stampin' Up! Will send you a color magazine called Stampin' Success, loaded with inspiration. As stampers, we love to get together and share our inspiration and our creations. And every month, we meet locally in Florida to do just that. But if you're not in Florida, don't worry. I do a Facebook Live right from that event, and if you're not on Facebook, I've got you covered too, because it's sent to you in a video recording through email, along with photographs and a recap of what was covered that night, so no one is left out. We also have a private Facebook group where we share inspiration with one another, encouragement, and we get to know each other. It's lots of fun. You don't have to join us, but we sure would love for you to do so. Each month, I also send a monthly e-newsletter. It's filled with tips, inspiration, tutorials, videos, and guess what? We spotlight someone on our group every single month. Being a part of the team is lots of fun, and it's interactive to allow you to get to know others and be part of a community. Whether you'd like to earn a discount on the products you already love, or maybe you want to make a little pocket change, or maybe even more, I certainly can help you. I have nearly 20 years of experience as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I've also partnered with the Creativate team. There are 5 top Stampin' Up! Demonstrators, and we have teamed together to help not only each other, but you with inspiration. So whether you'd like a discount to save money on the products you already enjoy, or to make a little bit of money, the Custom Starter Kit is a way to go. You can find more information over on my blog at lisasstampstudio.com and click on the Join the Fun tab, and there you'll find the drop down for custom kits. Remember, a $99 kit yields you $125 in product plus 2 free stamp sets of your choice with free shipping, pre-purchase options on new products, and you can enjoy that discount clear through July 31st. So come on, what are you waiting for? We'd love to have you join the team. If you've got questions, please, by all means, leave me a comment below or feel free to email me. You'll find a contact button over on my blog as well. Thanks for joining me, everyone. I'll see you next time.